watching India market close. Now we are focusing on something important here. Let's cut across to Green Rev Summit 2025, where Adani Total Gas ED and CEO Suresh Manglani is involved in a conversation about India.
Prefer a hold, no fresh buying. Ajit, Mishra, welcome. Good afternoon from Religare Broking. Joining us on the technical side. Ajit, what's the view?
Hi, good afternoon, Harsh.
Good afternoon.
So basically what we are seeing in most of the consumer durable names, in fact in the recent months, the participation was muted, means we were seeing a bit of a recovery or a rebound for the last couple of months. But if you talk about specifically for Voltas, around close to around 1140, 1130 was the area basically where it tested twice in the recent past, and there was a marginal recovery towards 1380 area where the short-term averages are placed on the weekly charts. After retesting that level with marginal volumes, again we are seeing a drift towards the lower band. So this indicates that consolidation is likely to continue. So in case if somebody is having a short-term view, this stock might continue to consolidate in this band of around 1100 to 1380, 1400. So it's prudent that one should refrain from any aggressive longs at current levels. But yeah, in case if you have any existing positions, you can stay put with 1200 as a closing stop loss.
Okay. Ajit, hi, good afternoon. Your top picks for the day?
Yeah, good afternoon, Vigma. So currently we are seeing that the PSU banking counters are, back with the bang, and Indian Bank within the space is leading from the front for almost like several months now. The stock has made a new record high post the consolidation range breakout today, and we expect this momentum to further continue. So 700 is what we are eyeing in the near future. So one can accumulate at current levels with 655 as a stop loss. Another stock that we like is the heavyweight from the capital goods space, that is NNT. Post numbers, we were seeing that stock was consolidating in a very tight range, and currently we are trading around the upper band of the same. So possibility of trend resumption seems high, and 3800 is what we are eyeing in the near future. So with stop at 3590, one can accumulate NNT also at current levels.
Okay. Avinash, anything in the alcobev space that you're liking? Sula is the one stock that's been beaten down post its surge.
Ajit, before I go on and take a view from you on VST, I want a quick BTST strategy.
So, we are seeing, be it all the sectors, means all the key sectors, be it realty, auto, all are participating in the move. But we are seeing that the rate sensitivities are one which is leading from the front. So in case if you are okay with high volatility, then Poonawalla FinCorp is one name wherein we have seen very strong recovery of late. And after a marginal dip on Friday, we are again seeing that stock has recovered strongly. We have almost paid all the losses of Friday, and we are ending closer to the day's highs. Probably we can see this momentum continuing and stock inching towards 460 area. So with stop at 432, one can accumulate Poonawalla as a BTST candidate.
Okay. All right. There is one counter that's locked in upper circuit as we speak. That's Yatra Online, and overall great set of numbers. I mean,
count in the session today, so that's very nice. The other one which has had a couple of false breakouts, actually two stocks out there, Ajit. One of them is transformers and rectifiers, breaks out and then breaks down consistently. Is this today's move worth buying into? The second one that I would urge you to give me a view on is Sai Life. Was up on Friday. We spoke to the management, up another 6% today. Is there more here?
Right, yes. So yes, you're right. You pointed out that transformer and rectifier, there was strong volume breakout, with strong price action on both, followed by a decisive candle on the downside as well, negating this breakout. But at the same time, again we are seeing that polls are trying to hold the short-term and medium-term averages placed around 480, 500 area. So probably this kind of like earlier, in case if this breakout would have continued, then momentum could be much higher. This time around, I believe that 565 80 could be the area where it might again face resistance from the sellers, which coincides with the previous swing high. So as of now, the risk reward is 1:1.5. So if you are okay with that, with 500 as a stop loss, then definitely one can consider with 565 as a target area for trail. And coming to the Sai Life, So volumes, price action, all coincides. The stock is at the record highs. So positioning is fine, but it's a very volatile counter leader. So I would recommend one should wait for any dip. In case if we get any dip, let's say around 860, 850 zone, then the risk reward is going to be much better with strong support at 790 area, and then keep on taking a stop losses on every rise. Let's say once the stock reaches to 1000 plus zone.
Okay, so Ajit and Avinash, thank you so much for taking out the time and giving us all those insights at NDTV Profit today. Let's take a quick look at how the markets are going to close on a Monday. Let's try to pull that up. The Nifty